Mount your camera on a tripod, use portrait mode. After that, record an empty space for a few seconds. Then after recording an empty space, then you walk in. Watch me, you walk in, then you make a jump. Yes. Make a jump, then you walk out. Save the video to your gallery and head over to Capcut. Capcut, new project. Import the video you just recorded. Then adjust because you need this empty space. Click on the video, make a split. Then look for overlay. Look for overlay. Add overlay. Click on the up one, the first layer, empty space. Click on it, go and look for freeze. Look for freeze. Then click on freeze. Then you click on this very one. Look for where you want your own to start. This is how I want my own to start. I click on the video and make a split. I delete the first part. Then click this one and adjust it to fit the empty space. Then this place where I jump up. Look at this place where I jump up. You click on the video and make a split. Make a split. Delete this part. We don't need it again. Then you click on this one. Make a screenshot. Then you cropple it. Watch what I'm doing so that I will not make mistake. Cropple it. Cropple it. After croppling it, yes, click on done. Then save it to your gallery. Then click on this one. Click on overlay. Click on photos. Import the video you just work on, the photo you work on. Import it to your workspace. Yes, exactly. Hold it and make it to fit the screen. Watch what I'm doing. Make it to fit the screen. Yes. Then at this point, look for remove BG. Look at remove BG. Click it. Auto remover. Yes, I remove completely. Allow it to remove completely. Then click on it. Click on it. Click it again. Come and click on keyframe. Then you adjust the video and drag this your image down. Then adjust the video, drag this one down. Keep adjusting it and dragging this one down. So you are doing that, the key will be adding automatically. Your own is to be adjusting the video, drag this one down. Look at what I'm doing. Yes, after dragging it, let us see the result. Let's see the result. Let's just see the result. Yes. So like, comment and share this video so that YouTube will recommend it to other subscribers out there. And if you have found this video to be important, why not give us a thumbs up? And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more updates. Click on your notification bell so that YouTube will always notify you whenever we drop an amazing tutorial. Welcome, let's comment. So at this point, click on this one, look for overlay. Look for overlay. Click on overlay. Drag it to come and cover this one. You want to design the ground you will fall on. So at this point, this is how it will look. Click on the empty space, then go and look for mask. Look at mask here. Click on mask. Click on horizontal. Then turn this line. Turn it. Turn the line the other way around. Turn it the other way around. You are designing the ground you will fall on. Okay, drag it down. Drag it to the point of your leg. Yes, this like this. At this point, mark this good. Then play it. Let us see how it look. Play it now. Let's see. Good. Your video is ready. At this point, your video is ready. But you cannot export this video. The problem being that you used a Pro Features, which is auto remover. You used the Pro Features. In one of my videos, I've shown you how to use Capcut Pro Features for free. Go and watch that video, then come back and you can be able to export this your video. Export it. After exporting it, what will now be remaining is how to add all those effects you saw on my own video. If you don't know how to do that, locate my number at the description of this video. Go to the description of this video. My number is there. You can DM me or you drop it at the comment section. Let us guide you on how you will add those effects. Are you getting what I'm saying? Then after adding the effects, then your video will now be ready for share. You can now share it to your social media handles. Go and watch that video. Then you will come and export your video. Click on export now. Let's see. Yes, as you click on export, look at it. You are using a pro features. For this reason and purpose, you cannot export this video because you are using a pro features. Locate that my video, watch it, then you will come and be able to export this your video. As you export it, then you go and add all those effects. Like, comment and share this video so that YouTube will recommend it to other subscribers out there. If this is your first time of coming across our channel and you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more updates. Click on your notification bell so that YouTube will always notify you whenever we drop our amazing tutorials and updates. Thank you. Stay safe.